Most fender benders are going to occur in parking lots. Park near the back of the parking lot to avoid other people backing into you, because believe me, drivers' ability to back up is severely lacking for most. You can see here that this driver just kept backing out and I had to move to the right to avoid them, and unfortunately got too close to pedestrians. It's also the place where you're going to encounter pedestrians in the parking lot walking around. So head on a swivel, looking around, checking your mirrors, watching and tracking pedestrians as they're moving through the parking lot, looking and locating crosswalks where pedestrians are going to exit the stores and the malls, coming out into the parking lot. Find a space, ideally one that you can drive into and drive out of. So a double space, back to back, you can drive in, you can drive out. If you do have to back up, look, observe, 360-degree scan around your vehicle, using your backup camera, your mirrors, and scanning and looking out the back window when you're maneuvering in parking lots. For more information, smartdrivetest.com.